Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to set your personal options and formats within CRM 2013. I'm going to be using the web version to show you how to do this. I'm in the web version at the moment, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and click on this cog icon next to my name. So if I go ahead and click on there and select options, then that will take us into our personal option settings. Just go through a few of the options that you have in here. So first of all, you can go ahead and set your default pane. Now by default, it would automatically be set to based on the user's role. But if I wanted to, I could change that to say maybe I want to see services as soon as I log in. So if I was to go ahead and select service, not only can I select the section, but I can also select what particular tab or tile I want to be navigated to within that section. So I can go ahead and, if I wanted to there, select cases. Records per page, that defaults to 50, so you can go ahead and select 250 as a maximum. You've got your advanced find mode, simple or detailed. The simple advanced find mode simply means when you open up advanced find, it will show you the query for the view that you happen to be in, or the view that you happen to be in CRM when you click on advanced find. Detailed, what it will do is it will allow you to just again, it will show you the query, but it will allow you to edit the query, add in more filters straight away. You've also got your time zone here. Mine is set to this one at the moment. I can go ahead and change that to whatever time zone I want, and I can also select my default currency. Bearing in mind, this is personal, so any options that you choose here is for yourself. It doesn't affect anyone else in your organization. It's only for users. This is the general tab, so if I was just to jump over, you have your activities tab as well, where you can have your default calendar view, where you can set that to day, week or month. This is a calendar within, obviously within the CRM system. And you can also set your default work hours. I'm sure my manager would love me to start at 8 and finish at 5, but I'm going to go ahead and change that to 9 to 5. We also got our formats. For all of the users in England, I know it's a bit of a pet peeve to have the format in English United States, purely because of the date format. So I'm just going to go ahead and change that to United Kingdom, and then you can see the formats in the way we're used to seeing it in England. You also got your email template, so you can create and modify your own personal email templates within this area. If you create your own email templates, it can only be used by yourself because they're personal to you. You've also got your email settings as well, so you can this is in terms of tracking. Mine by default is set to email messages in response to a CRM email. So in other words, if a CRM email comes in and I respond, it would automatically track my response. I could change that to all messages. I wouldn't do that personally, because it means even personal emails will get fired into CRM. Email messages from leads, contacts and accounts, or email messages from CRM records that are email enabled. So you can choose between those different options. And you can also actually set the system to automatically create records in CRM. So if I was to tick that box, create, you will notice I selected contacts for the moment. So contacts from the sender or organization of the tracked email messages and meetings. So in other words, if I was to track an email and the contact didn't exist in CRM, i.e. the email address didn't exist, and what the system will go ahead and do is automatically create a contact record for me. Of course, this is on the basis of you having the security permissions to create contacts. If you don't, then the system obviously wouldn't create that contact for you. Oops, let's just go ahead and oops. And within the privacy tab, this is just for error notification to Microsoft. ask for permission to send a report, automatically send, or never send. And finally, you have your languages. Now, this languages tab depends on the language packs that's installed within your CRM system. You notice my base language is English, user interface is English, and help language is in English. Now, when I click on the drop downs, you'll notice I can only select English, and that's purely because the language pack that we have installed on this particular instance is only English. But if you had different language packs installed, then you'll have the ability to select those different language packs. Okay, so what we just done there was went through setting up your personal options within CRM 2013. Thank you.